Hello treasures, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this yummy and delicious jollof rice with just my leftover stew at home. So let's get started. I started by boiling some water and parboiling the rice I'll be using for this.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. After boiling the rice for about 3 to 5 minutes, I washed it and set it aside before going to the next step. Tapping sounds in harmony, kitchen sounds so heavenly. Now that we are done washing the rice, let's go over to the stew. So in a dry pot, add little oil. I'm going to use this oil to fry some onions and the tomato paste before adding the leftover stew. The amount of oil you're adding depends on the quantity of rice you're cooking and also the quantity of the leftover stew. So try not to over oil the rice. I will fry the onions for about 2 minutes before adding the tomato paste. I also love to add salt to my onions when I'm frying it. It makes it tastier for me. But you don't have to do that. You can add your salt later. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices red. After frying the tomato paste for about 3 to 4 minutes, I seasoned it with some seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, and the garlic and ginger powder. I stir fried again for about a minute before going in with our leftover stew. Embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. It is now time to add our leftover stew. I did not use tomato paste to make this my leftover stew. So that's one of the reasons I fried the tomato paste before adding it so that at least our jollof rice can have some beautiful color. Yeah, you get that. Like a piano sigh, golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. I tested it, the pepper in it is not enough, so I'm adding in a little more fresh pepper to it to make it a bit hot or spicy. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. Next, I'll cover it and allow it to fry for about 5 minutes while stirring at intervals. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste. Next, I added some stock to it. This is chicken stock. I'll stir and cover again to continue to fry and cook. Sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Few minutes later, it is time to add in our washed rice. Like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. Mix it very well before adding water so that you will know the quantity of water or liquid you will add it. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound.
I tested it and everything was perfect. So the next thing I'll do is to cover this and allow it to cook until done, almost done. So the rice has dried water and about more than 80% cooked. So I went ahead and added some butter and the onions to it, covered it with foil paper, reduced my heat to the lowest, and allowed the heat to cook the remaining, and they let it dry water very well. I hope you understand what I'm explaining now. After about 5 minutes, I checked it again. Our rice is done, well cooked. So I just stirred it around, mix everything together, mix that butter and the onions very well, and the rice is ready. And the smoky, you can see that smoke. Even there is even some burnt part. So there is still some burnt part in it. Mix everything very well, serve and enjoy.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony.
The rice tasted so yummy, very yummy. I'm not even joking about that. Everyone that tasted it testified to it, to the deliciousness. And we enjoyed it with yummy grilled chicken.
Kitchen sounds so heavenly.
I hope you'll be giving this a try. So next time when you have leftover stew at home, make this yummy jollof rice. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew.